Bia Kamal, Shana Raj, Raj Mishalat, World Bank, Kui South Sudan, Raj Chala de Duo Migwa, Mede Kum South Sudan, Ki Nedicon Revika South Sudan, de Goniam Kaja, Ki de Karyang de Kanaja Kaja, Agenda Bana Quen Kajan Guasam, Canver online TV channel. Guasam Shalat no West South Sudan, de kan yo to shop ke milioni to shop ko kudang diok dollar la $300 million de kan kajek ka koruna karetin kon tin kap ke rewe ka South Sudan kare to de kan kajek mishikan sharian chikan lat ko de ka chiti de kan ka akshimnen kon mo ka tournament ma dienen ka to ka wat lianye no bar kaka karetin kone je kare wacce ka South Sudan karwada shana kulo koro je dana sha kulo kwen ka do dana de South Sudan da yang ka je gwasme ko en wi mona do dien ngai ka no en South Sudan cha tiang ka resources ki te ka kwak to wan long te de we da yang ka je gwasme chi ka la do ne kane jende wi ka kur ka re wi ka South Sudan la 50% kane kwandien je kana ke sham kana rich la rech la kana be gwada danan ci yer mi ce bara ci mi pinja ta ganyoch ke ci yer ce tiang wa kare de to bu brar ka yer kel ne den kon te la deb ke den mai kare bu kanu yer ka bu kare to bu kan ko kamrar ko bu kan ka kwak ke bu kan ga cham lo la kan ka let bu kan ka kot ke ba le la liay ko bu kan kon ko le jekten no gwasa me koroj mashalat report be je kwenia the report further highlighted that the livestock sector provides animal protein to roughly 50% of the South Sudanese population. During the release of the country natural resources review report in Juba, Stephen Ling, lead environment specialist at the World Bank, emphasized that the country's Nile flood plain, encompassing the vast Sud wetland, constitutes one of the world's largest fish catchment areas. The country boasts one of the largest inland fisheries and freshwater fisheries globally. Seasonal tropical wetlands exhibit remarkable productivity as fishery systems. When the water recedes, robust vegetation grows ensues, and upon the water return, this production stimulates the aquatic food chain and productive, explained by Ling. Recognized as one of the world's largest seasonal tropical wetlands, the Sud wetland possesses the capacity for sustainable fish production of approximately 100 kilograms per hectare. Furthermore, Ling estimates that South Sudanese floodplain areas spanning around 40,000 square kilometers annually have the potential to yield approximately 400,000 tons of fish sustainability. The environmentalist recently observed a significant increase in the size of South Sudanese floodplain areas, expanding from approximately 40,000 to over 100,000 hectares, with the potential to yield sustainable fisheries production of roughly 1 million tons of fish per year. However, despite this immense potential, substantial fish loss and wastage occur during handling at landing site, market, trading point, transportation, and preservation stage, and due to numerous security checkpoints along market roads. The experts cited high tax imposed on fish exported to Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda, along with non-compliance with the East African Custom Export Law, as significant contribution to losses and damages. Fish often languish at the Numile-Legu border for days awaiting custom clearance. In addition to Congo and Uganda, South Sudan export fish to Sudan via the Upper Nile State in Malakal town. Domestically, it is consumed in major cities such as Juba, Bor, Wau, and Numile. The report underscored that approximately 14% of the South Sudan fish catch is lost due to physical damage, while 24% is spoiled before reaching the market, necessitating sales at a low price. Two-thirds of the potential fresh fish value of the catch is estimated to be lost domestically despite lucrative export opportunities, noted Ling. He added that most fishermen and traders still rely on traditional preservation methods like salting and sun-drying, leading to significant fish loss. About half of the fish is lost during conversion. These methods are wasteful as they do not increase product value. They are primarily a means of transporting fresh fish to market, but value is lost during this processing, stated the World Bank expert. Estimate that South Sudan is incurred to tens of millions of dollars in losses within the fisheries value chain annually. To maximize the potential of the 300,000 ton annual fish catch through export, it is crucial to expand production through value chain addition, enhance export regulation, and minimize unnecessary tax along market roads. The report also indicates that South Sudan requires an investment of approximately 10 up to $20 million over the next 5 years in the fisheries sectors. This investment should focus on building community and government capacity, updating the fisheries bill, and developing a sector action plan centered on sustainable fisheries management. Furthermore, an investment of $20 to $30 million is needed for value addition, market surveys, policy reforms, and institutional capacity buildings. Meanwhile, Ms. Chuck Malo, South Sudan County representative for the Food and Agriculture Organization, emphasized that the country untapped fisheries sector hold immense potential for creating job opportunities for youth, women, and girls, provided it is sustainably managed. Malo estimates that daily approximately 20 to 30 truck transport fish from Terekeka County in central Equatorial State and Pibor and Pabur administrative area to Juba, a significant increase compared to 5 years ago. He encouraged local communities to capitalize on seasonal float, harvest fish, and expand their market base to neighboring countries. Consider the potential benefit for people in Bentiu, Unity State from the float. If 400,000 tons of fish can be caught annually from flood plain areas, asked Malo. He highlighted that drying and smoking fish can reduce its value by approximately 90%. The country representative emphasized the need to develop modern transportation systems such as air and cold chain logistics to facilitate direct fish export from South Sudan to Congo and other destinations. Internally, the cold chain would significantly reduce fish spoilage. Malo appealed to the national government to eliminate the excessive number of security checkpoints along the road from Bor and Terekeka to Juba, which contribute to increased fish price and subsequent wastage. Over 90 checkpoints increased the price by 90 cents or $10, hindering market access and contributing to spoilage, added Malo. The World Bank recommends that South Sudanese government establish competent authorities and laboratories to regulate sanitary and quality standards, conduct feasibility studies for new or improved border export markets, and strengthen bilateral and regional trade agreements to expedite custom inspections at border points. This is it. Allow to dialati kadi na de kalwak ko misha kari alaka gwa ko retiti kari to go to dong the market de ko nyam guje enema lat kaje ko kor gwa te da ne paiwa lat kaje ne ko ron kina dangro wit jan dangro do ngwan ko pai baro shanka jan dangro wit do no retiti de kana lwak ko de market der gwa kade so Sudan de te yu te de jekten mi chi nyoche be de kan mugwade kana lat na me mishalat janan go de nyoy kel